friends, welcome back to my channel Curious Explorer. So today I will show you guys how to make a pancake. So how does it work? So first add 1 egg, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and whisk. Next put 3/4 cup of milk and whisk. After that take a sieve. In that put all-purpose flour and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of salt in the sieve. Then you can sieve in the bowl where the other things are. Whisk well. Later add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Whisk again. Then heat a non-stick pan and pour 3/4 of the batter into the pan. The edges look dry and bubbles start to appear and pop on the top surface. You can flip. Cook until lightly brown. Then you can repeat it again if you want more. Finally add butter and maple syrup, and now it's done. It looks like this. So guys, this is my recipe on how to make a pancake. Feel free to see my other videos. Finally, bye everyone.